Hello dear friends, I am Lakshmikant Kapgate, Assistant Professor, Department of English, S.H. Jaiswal College, Arjuni Morgaon District, India. Dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be focusing on how to create quizzes in Moodle site or in Moodle course. After adding various activities and resources in our Moodle site, it is very important to take test of the student. So in this video, we will see how to create this Moodle site or the Moodle test. This may be a very little bit complicated and very difficult part for you, so just I will try to explain in simple manner. Friends, the mobile application of this Google or the Moodle site is available in Google Play Store. You can go and download from that Play Store. Dear friends, as you log in your Moodle website here, so you will be viewing this the home page of Moodle site. So to add quizzes in your Moodle site, again you go and click on this course button, BSc Sem 1 Compulsory English. So my 4 units, announcement, alerts, the profile of the teachers which we have created in the previous video, it is visible here. Now see, in the second unit, 3 poems and 1 poetic device, which is the part of literary terms, it is added here. Now I want to add quiz in this section, means the unit second. So for this, my dear friend, you just go to this icon in the right corner and click on this, where you will find various options. So here you just go on more button. When you click on more, the course administration page will appear for you, where various heads are there. So go to question bank. In question bank, questions, categories, imports and export, these 4 options are very important for you. So you can import the Word file or the Notepad file from this import button. As you click on this, you can see this is how you need to insert the Aken format file from this, and you can drag and drop here also, and you can import. There are 2 ways. Either you can import the Word file, or you can add questions one by one. So here I am going to add from this question option. Now let's see, there is a category. So by default our category is BSc English. So in this section I have added 2 questions already. Now I want to create one more questions. So let me create. The type of questions are available, means the various types of questions. For example, calculated, multiple choice, true and false, matching, essay, paragraph, numerical, random short answer matching. So you can use as per your interest or as per your need. Now I am going to choose this multiple choice of type of question. I am going to add here. Now see, when I click, again you can write. So there are 2 questions, so this will be a third question. Again I can write question number 3. So here I can write, London is a sonnet composed by. So this is how I can write the question. Now this is a sonnet and is so here you can give the 2 marks as we have given to other questions. If you want to write the feedback about this question, you can write here. Again, in the next option, only one option will be correct, so you can write. Again, the number of choices, I will select this ABC pattern, and choices here I will write Wordsworth. In the second option, okay, now see, this answer is correct, so I can change the grade 100%. So this will be the right answer. Now you can also add feedback to this. For example, your answer is correct, your bravo, you have done good job, like this you can write here. Then you can write the second option. For example, just I'm doing all these things for the understanding. Here by default it is, this answer is not correct, so it is none. Then the third one is Byron, and the fourth option is Coleridge. So these are the 4 options I have added. Now you can check what is here. So multiple choice, you can see no negative marking or no deduction, so it is 0. You can set like this, and save changes and continue adding, or you can click on save changes. So as you click on save changes, my one question is added to my this question bank here. If I want to add one more question, so let me add for your understanding. This is multiple type of question, multiple choice question. So let me add another true false type of question. So here again I'm going to choose, so I will write here question 4. So this will be the 4th question. For example, Shakespeare has written 154 sonnets. So this is a true false question. By default it is 1, but I will change it to 2. Again you can change the correct answer, it is true, it is not false. And as you want to add the feedback, you can write here. So again you go here, penalty, okay, that is okay. Then click on save. So these 2 questions I have added here. One is multiple choice and one is the true and false. Now these 4 questions I have added. Now again you go back to your course. Now we have created the questions. Now we are on the home page of this BSc Sem 1 Compulsory English. Now here I want to add quiz. So again you go in this right corner and click on this button. So as you click on this button, you will find this turn editing on button. You just on that option and you will be ready to edit this page. Now you can edit any section, you can add resources, activities like this as we have added in the previous video. Now see, I want to add quiz. So let me click on this add activity. I will choose from this activity option, quiz option, and add in my course. So it will automatically add. So for this let me set something. For example, this is a quiz, okay, quiz on sonnet. So this will be the title, or this is the name of my quiz. You can write the description, or you can set this display on the course page. Again you can set the timing. It is very important to set the timing on which, or you can schedule this quiz. You can enable the timing option because this is a quiz, so timing option is very important. Let me give the 10 minutes timing for the student. Again you can see grades. So 10 is the grade to pass, and attempts you can set from this option. I want to give 2 attempts to the student, and highest grading, so grading is the option is there. Then the layout, 1 question will appear on 1 page, or if you want 4 questions on 1 page you can set, but I don't want that. Let me keep it as it is. Then the questions behavior, you want to shuffle or you can change the options at every attempt as per the student. Also you can change from this option. Then you go click on save and display. Now this quiz is added in your course here, but questions are not added. It is showing that 2 attempts are allowed, 10 minutes timing, highest grade. Now let me edit this quiz. There are 2 options to edit this. You can either choose this option, or you can go to this icon. So here you have various options. So let me click on this edit quiz. So Just after clicking that, now you can add the questions from this option. So on this page you will find maximum grade is 10, save, multiple questions. There is one option you can see here, add button. So there are three options. From this second option, from question bank, because we have created question banks, from that I will choose the questions. So let me choose 4 questions. All you can select all questions and click on add selected question to the quiz. So automatically these questions will be added to your quiz. Now see, all questions are imported from that question bank, and you can click on, now it is the final step, you just save this. Now all every material or all options are saved. So what you have to do, you go to your course page directly, BSc English, and turn editing off. So after editing off, you will see this quiz on Sonnet. Your student will see this page like this. So click on this Sonnet or quiz on Sonnet, and now you can start your attempt. It says that 2 attempts are allowed, 10 minutes, and you can start your attempt. Let me start. It is asking your permission, start attempt, and the multiple type of questions are there. Start preview, and 4 options are there. I can choose the correct answer like this and go to next question on clicking on next page. So the second question is okay, go to. So as you solve or as you attempted all these questions, you can see these questions, and this is the timing. Let me choose this. Let me finish this attempt first, and this is true. So there are 4 questions, I have solved 4, and let me finish my attempt. Now I have completed my task, and this is the summary page. You can see, you can go to return to attempt, or either you can submit all the questions and finish your test. So let me finish and submit all these things. Now see, the details of your questions of your test is here. All 4 questions are correct, it is showing here, and you can see the description also. So likewise you can set, or you can add questions or the quizzes in your Moodle site. Dear friend, it is very important to remember one thing, is that whenever you set or whenever you add questions, it is always necessary to take the preview of all these setting before scheduling your attempt or quiz to your student. So this is the start attempt. Again, the second attempt I can start. So here we have learned how to create quiz, how to add questions, how to start attempt, how to submit answers, and how to create or how to turn off and on the editing of this page. So here we have learned the various things. In the previous video we have learned how to create Moodle site, how to add course, how to add users, how to create how to edit, and how to add activities and resources. And in this video we have learned these all about quizzes. So I hope, my dear friend, you have learned, and you can start your practicing Moodle site in your college, in your school. So thank you, dear friends, for watching this. If you like this video, you can subscribe my channel so that you can get the latest notification of the new videos. Thank you.